here we are a couple years later, now I'm doing the TED Talk about it. What do you do a couple days before you deliver a TED Talk? You throw a party, because it's all about the celebration. So we're having a little gathering. I'm really excited, and because my message is about overcoming comparanoia and celebration is the antidote to that, every step of the way I just keep reminding myself to celebrate. Value. What the hell is value anyway? This is a topic very close to my heart. So I'm on a mission to teach everyone in the world to deliver vision, because you have a vision and your vision is valuable. I wrote on a board the word comparanoia, and I don't know, I've been using it for a couple of years. You know, in the meantime, I wrote my book, Being Unapologetic, and it's been an amazing blessing, went #1 in 10 countries and all this amazing stuff. And then through Being Unapologetic, I started to realize it's just crazy how it all works. The first line in the book is life begins with celebration. And so I came up with this idea of overcoming comparanoia as a talk. And as I started to share it with people, when I would share the word comparanoia or say comparanoia, people were like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. I get that. And I don't think I realized how powerful it is until right now for myself. We have another day to make a difference, to live joyfully. And then I repeat my contract. I am an unapologetic, joyfully audacious, unmessable speaker. Comparanoia presents with an equal and opposite force to celebration.
I align myself with his vision because I believe that people should be able to be themselves and exuberate who they want to be.
David gave me just that little nudge that's the story. It's not really who I'm talking about, it's how I'm presenting it.
Meeting someone that gave me the perspective of being able to just love and accept myself has really been life-changing.
Now I'm going all in. Like, nothing's gonna stop me. We overcame our comparanoia and we celebrated. Woo! We TEDx'd, we owned it, we celebrated all over that stage, and now the real work begins to go and change some lives.